Are you the friend of your friends na takbuhan nila pag may problema sila, pag may pinagdadaanan sila? And you are only have few of them that you can rely on just in case you are going through something. Am I complaining? No, I'm not. I used to help them. I used to hear them. I used to understand them. I used to just be quiet and just listen to their rants and give them a fair advice. Am I gonna be like unfair just because they are my friend and then they are ranting against to this specific person? No. I'm gonna give them a good advice, a fair advice, for sure. But then I only have few of them that I can call, like, hey, are you free? Can we talk? So only few of them can understand and can read my eyes. Like, hey, there's something in your eyes. We can talk about it. You know, I have time. I can make time for you. This kind of people are just really my gem, my treasure, my wealth. With or without money involved, they are there. And when you have this kind of people around you, you're so blessed. You're so lucky. And these are the people. This is your people na masasabi mong at the end of the day, I have them. And to the point that they are really willing to listen to you and you are willing to listen to them. And even the strangers, sometimes they are so openly to open their problems with me out of nowhere. Like even their worst mistakes in their life, I know them. They are really open. I don't know what kind of energy that they can see, that they can feel around me, but they are so comfortable. And they know that I won't judge them. Because it's not my thing to judge you just because you did one mistake. No. I will never do that. I will never ever interfere in your past situations, in your mistakes. Because at the end of the day, what kind of mistakes that you've done, what kind of mistakes that you've been through, it's not you. It's not you. It's just part of you. It's just part of your path that you need to go through. So, just in case you have these kinds of friend, alagaan mo sila. Pakinggan mo sila. Dahil sila yung taong nakikinig sa'yo. Pag kailangan mo ng taong nakikinig sa'yo.